Assalamualaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are all fine and doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool again. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a general science class for Junior 1 student. Dear student, our today's topic is general knowledge. Today we will learn some general knowledge. Let's see some today's topic properly. Our today's topic is general knowledge and this is lecture number 6 and I will give you SW. Our SW number will be 6 number SW. So dear student, let's start today's topic. Here is some question and answer. Our first question is, what is the name of our country? Do you know what is the name of our country? I know you can say the name of our country is Bangladesh. Let's spell it with me this word Bangladesh. B-A-N-G-L-A Bangla D-E-S-H Bangladesh. Now our next question is, what is the sun? Look at this picture. Here is a sun. The sun is a star. So we will write star. Star spelling is S-T-A-R, star. Now next 3 number question is, what is the national animal of Bangladesh? The national animal, the name of national animal of Bangladesh is Royal Bengal tiger. Look at this picture. Here is the Royal Bengal tiger. Let's spelling this Royal Bengal tiger. Royal, R-O-Y-A-L, Royal Bengal, B-E-N-G-A-L, Bengal, and tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger, Royal Bengal tiger. When I am saying this spelling, you can say with me. Now next one, number 4 question is, what is the largest bird of the world? Here is a picture. This is ostrich. The answer is ostrich. This is the largest bird of the world. But normally bird can fly, but this bird cannot fly. Let's spelling this ostrich. Ostrich spelling is O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Now next is 5 number. Which star gives us light at daytime? The answer is sun. The sun spelling is S-U-N, sun. Next 6 number is, what is the largest animal of the world? The answer is blue whale. You can see this picture. This is blue whale. If we compare with this blue whale with human, we can see human is very small than blue whale. If we compare with elephant, we can see elephant is very small than blue whale. That means this is the largest animal of the world. And the spelling of blue whale is B-L-U-E, blue whale, W-H-A-L-E, whale. Now next 7 number question is, what is the national bird of Bangladesh? The answer is magpie robin. You can see here is a beautiful picture of magpie robin. Let's spelling this word magpie, M-A-G-P-I-E, magpie robin, R-O-B-I-N, robin, magpie robin. Now the 8 number question is, Which one is the smallest bird of the world? And the answer is hummingbird. You can see here is a picture of hummingbird. This is the smallest bird of the world. Hummingbird spelling is Humming, humming, B-I-R-D, hummingbird. Our next question is 9 number. How many bones are there in a human body? Do you know that? Here is a 206 bones in our body. Can you imagine this? Here is 206 bones. Now, next question is 10 number question. Write the name of 7 colors. Now, we will learn 7 colors. First one is red color. Here is a red color you can see. Red spelling is R-E-D, red. Red spelling is R-E-D, red. You can see this picture, here is a red, and this sign pen is also red color. Now our second one is green. This is green color. Green color. Now green spelling is G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. And I have another sign pen in green color. This is green color. Now the next one is yellow. This is yellow color, and yellow spelling is Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. And this is, here is another sign pen. This is yellow color. This is yellow color. And next one is blue. Blue color. This is blue color. Blue spelling is B-L-U-E, blue. And I have another sign pen, and this is blue color. You can see this is blue color sign pen. This is blue color. And next is white. You can see inside this box, this is white color, and our page is also white color. White spelling is W-H-I-T-E, white, W-H-I-T-E. If you can see this marker inside, this is also white color. And next is black. You can see here is the black color, and black spelling is B-L-A-C-K, black, B-L-A-C-K, black. And I have black sign pen. You can see this is also black color. And the last color, 7 number color name is orange. This is orange color. Orange spelling is O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. And I have orange sign pen also. You can see this is orange color. Okay, now next question is 11 number question. What is the name of national flower of Bangladesh? The national flower of Bangladesh is water lily. You can see this picture. This is a beautiful picture of water lily. Water lily spelling is W-A-T-E-R, water, L-I-L-Y, lily, water lily. Now the last one. The last question is, what is the capital of Bangladesh? Capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. So the Dhaka spelling is D-H-A-K-A, Dhaka. So dear student, I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you some SW. Your SW will be, and our SW today's SW number is 6 number SW. When you will do your SW, please write the SW number. This is 6 number SW, and your SW will be, here is a 12 question and answer, and your SW will be 6 general knowledge GK. Okay, I have written here in shortly. 6 is, this is 6 number SW and your SW will be 6 GK. That means here is a 12 question and answer, and your SW will be from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This 6 question and answer. 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, 6, 5 number and 6 number. Okay, this is your SW. I am repeat your SW. This is 6 number SW and your SW is 6 GK questions and answers. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy, and you will get 2 marks for each SW. So dear student, I hope you will do your SW properly and submit your SW, and you can submit your SW on next Sunday. So dear student, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.